say the Rais General Salva Kiir Mayardit, Rais Jamhuriya, wa protocol بمحله. كلام بتاع اليوم ده is a little bit difficult to talk about it. We and the family of Majur Dak, I would like to tell you that be encouraged by the presence of the people, those who have come to attend a funeral rite of our brother David Majur Dak. You would assume that Majur Dak was Mony Hol. That is not the case. You have seen now the presence of the people of the South that have come to attend this funeral rite. It is a great thing. When your person passed away or is killed and people come to this level, this is the greatest a person can remember in the life of his person. So David Majur Dak, here you have seen, is not just a Mony Hol as such, is a South Sudanese. And all the people of the South have come to show that. I'm here having two hats. Number one is that I'm representing my chairperson, Biarmading Biar. That he is not here today. Philip Agwene Penyang is not also here, and this is why I'm authorized to be representing them in this occasion. Number two is that I'm a brother to Yar. I'm a brother to Yar because I'm a Mony Hol, and I killing of late General David Majur Dak. It is very unfortunate that we South Sudanese have started to kill ourselves, and you don't even know the reason as to why we are killing ourselves. I'm saying this simple because if it is a system, it is a question of a system that you want to rule. Then in America, people do make changes and without killing anybody. In Europe, people do change systems, but nobody is being killed simply because of that. But why? What are we? What are South Sudanese? Are we really mad? Are we? Of course, surely we are uneducated. We are not educated. And this is why we have started to resort to issues that are not necessarily for us to have done when we want to change systems. Now, killing of Majur Dak, will the person, when we were fighting 21 years in the bush, we used to be very proud that we have killed an enemy. And when we lose a person, we would also say we were very proud that we have lost one of the heroes fighting for the liberation of South Sudan. That used to be the case. Kill your brother. It is a very big question, and it is challenging as to why we do this. What we call White Army. White Army. Is the White Army of where? Is it not the White Army of South Sudan? And being White Army because of what? Killing or chasing people away, capturing Nasir. And so what about that? What have you done after this? Ita amalta shunu? Ita tarata Nasir wala katata Nasir because of what? Fi kalam bita gibel galu roll down, the kalam bita kulang. I thought all of us, أنا كنا بشكل بيبور زمان. And all South Sudanese were fighting in Bibor. Fighting who? Fighting an enemy, our enemy. Now, whether Lofinas today, if Bibor, Guguli, and I outdoor with Bibor alone. Yeah, but what are you after all? What are you doing? What are you saying? This is, and you will see them, they will begin to fight themselves. When we liberated the country, it took us only 2 years and we started fighting ourselves. Calamity Jalaba the cancer. Even if Jalaba is also following the same, they are doing the same what we are doing in the south here. So Majur Dak has shown, and all the people have mentioned that, have shown that he was a hero. He has been fighting for the 21 years, and one of the battles I attended with him was in Magui. It was in Magui. 1992. We really escaped it narrowly, together with the president of the country. We were together in Magui. So, what are we really doing? Nina Yatunas, what do we do? Should we be killing, and you are very proud of that, yeah, you have killed a person? There's nobody, no stranger that you have killed only your brother. I cannot mention anything about tribes, because 64 tribes are the people of South Sudan, and these are the people we are very proud of, and we should not be starting killing ourselves. He was not just a simple person, he was a general, very courageous, and he has been a fighter all along. Now killing him this time, it is very unfortunate. We hope such things should not repeat themselves. And I have the word of thanks to you all. Thank you very much.